Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be cooking on my grill. I'm making a lemon chicken foil pack. It has asparagus. It is full of flavor and super delicious. So stay with me because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm gonna place it in a Ziploc bag. And I'm using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast or chicken tenderloins, whatever your preference is. All right, so to my chicken, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. And then I have here a teaspoon each of minced onion, dried thyme, and oregano. I'm going to mince 2 garlic cloves. All right, I'm going to zest a lemon. And I'm also going to give the juice of 1 lemon. A half of a teaspoon of black pepper and a half of a teaspoon of salt. Actually, I may do 1 teaspoon of salt. Nice thing about putting it in a Ziploc bag, because then you could just kind of just massage all the chicken thighs until they're all coated with the seasoning. All right, now you can marinate this in your refrigerator for 30 minutes or even overnight. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my aluminum foil and I'm going to place these ingredients in my foil. First though, I'm going to spray it with some nonstick spray. All right, so I'm going to place my chicken. And I'm going to add 2 chicken thighs to a pack. Then I'm going to place a couple slices of lemon, and I'm going to place some asparagus. But I want to make sure I season that asparagus with some salt and black pepper. All right, then I'm going to fold my foil. All right, then I'm going to roll it down like this. And then I'm going to take each side and roll it in. And I almost forgot to mention that you can add a tab of butter. And now, off to the grill. Okay, the lemon chicken foil packs are done. And one of my favorite things about making any kind of foil pack is it's almost like unwrapping a present. It's so fun. Okay, that was my favorite part. And there are so many things that you can add to a foil pack. They make the perfect dinner. Well, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.